Hello everyone. Finally, the monsoon season is upon us. This is a huge relief from the hot summer days for most of us. This week, we decided to bring you some tea recipes that complements very well with the dip in temperatures. We have 4 tea recipes that are refreshing, healthy, and have a ton of short and long-term benefits. What are they? Let's find out.
Start heating 2 cups of water on medium flame. Add the barley and the cinnamon sticks to the water. Let the tea simmer for about 10 minutes. Barley tea is quite a popular drink in Japan, China, Taiwan, and South Korea. This is a low-calorie drink, rich in antioxidants like quercetin, chlorogenic acids, and vanillic acids. These antioxidants can improve your metabolism, heart health, brain health, and regulate blood pressure. Unless you have gluten intolerance, barley tea can be consumed every day. Set the teapot on medium flame, and add 2 cups of water. Add the butterfly pea flowers, and simmer for about 10 minutes. Blue pea flower, or butterfly pea flower, is the flower of Clitoria ternity plant. The plant is common to most of the Southeast Asian countries. Blue pea tea is caffeine-free, and packed with antioxidants. This herbal concoction promotes anti-aging properties of skin, and provides other benefits like mood enhancement and weight loss. Next time, when you are stressed out, have a cup of blue pea tea. Start heating 2 cups of water on medium flame. Add minced ginger, cinnamon, and turmeric. Let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes. Turmeric and ginger rank among the topmost ingredients on the anti-inflammatory index. Also, curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a natural, pain, and stress reliever. Both ginger and turmeric can also reduce LDL, or bad cholesterol, and aid in weight loss and heart health. Together with lemon, all 3 ingredients are strong immune boosters, making this an ideal beverage for a healthy lifestyle. Turn off the stove, and serve it hot with some honey. Next time when you have a long, busy day, drink this beverage for a quick recovery. Set the stove on medium flame and start heating 2 cups of water. Add green tea leaves and mint leaves, and simmer for 10 minutes. Green tea commonly is made from Camellia sinensis leaves and is touted as one of the healthiest beverages on the planet. While it has innumerable health benefits with negligible calories, we will try to list a few unique ones here. Polyphenols in the green tea are natural antioxidants that prevent cell damage and provide many other benefits like helping your body fight cancer, reducing inflammation, and helping you age gracefully. The small amount of caffeine in green tea may provide your brain the right amount of stimulation, without causing any side effects. Green tea also helps burn more fat, and may reduce your bad breath miraculously. Turn off the stove, and add some honey if desired. With all its goodness, this is an amazing morning beverage.
If you are enjoying our videos, please like, share, and do not forget to leave your comments.